We need to partition these decimals into tenths and hundredths, showing the partition as both fractions and decimals. So first, we have 0.15. We know that the first digit after the decimal point tells us how many tenths we have, so that's 1/10. And then the second digit after the decimal point tells us how many hundredths, so that's 5/100ths. We could also show the partition in decimal form. 1/10 is 0.1 because the first digit after the decimal point is the tenths digit, and 5/100ths can be written as 0.05 because the second digit after the decimal point tells us how many hundredths we have. Now we have 0.51. The first digit is the tenths digit, so that's 5/10. And the second digit after the decimal point is the hundredths digit, so that's 1/100th. We can also show the partition in decimal form. 0.5 is 5/10 because the first digit after the decimal point is the tenths digit, and 0.01 is 1/100th because the second digit after the decimal point is the hundredths digit. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.